Hello and welcome back to my channel Slow Cooking with Evie. In my previous video I cooked chicken stock, which I'm gonna use today for pearl barley soup. Pearl barley soup is very easy to make and you don't need many ingredients. For this soup we're gonna use 3 medium-sized potatoes, 1 carrot, 1 pickled cucumber, cup of pearl barley and chicken. When I cooked chicken stock, I saved some chicken meat from the bones, from drumsticks, which I'm gonna use in this soup. I didn't cook meat together with the bones only because in this case meat would be cooked so it would become softer than I would like it to be. I'm gonna cut potatoes and carrot for small pieces, as well as I will cut cucumbers. So I cut all my vegetables and everything is ready to go to the slow cooker. But before it goes to the slow cooker, I have a favor to ask. Please press the like button. It doesn't cost you anything, but it's gonna help my channel to grow. Thank you very much, and let's put everything into the slow cooker. So it doesn't really matter in which order you're gonna put everything, because then you're gonna mix everything anyway. So I put my pickled cucumbers, potato and carrots, cup of pearl barley, and finally my chicken. And the last but not the least, I'm gonna put my stock, which settled in the fridge during the day, and it's ready. Now I'm gonna mix everything in the pot and it's ready to go. The only thing I didn't add salt into the soup because I salted meat and also I salted stock, so for me it's more than enough of salt, but if you feel like you need more salt, feel free to add according to your taste. While I was sleeping, my slow cooker was cooking my soup, and now it's morning and my soup is ready and I can enjoy it. I'm just gonna put some soup in my plate so I can show you how it looks like. Also, this pot serves about between 3 and 6 portions depending on the size of the portion. For me it's 3 portions, but if people eat less than me, then it will be 6. When you take pot, please always be careful because it's still hot. Even though it doesn't go on very high temperature, it's still hot enough to hurt you. So here we are, our soup is ready and we can enjoy it. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and please press like button if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe so you will see more of my videos coming soon, and switch on notifications so you will be always the first one to watch my new videos. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.